The outdoor sensor must be installed when installing the Logic Air heat pump. It must be fixed to a north or northwesterly facing external wall. And it should not be fixed to a south facing wall or anywhere in direct sunlight, as this will negatively affect its accurate operation. Here are a few hints and tips for positioning the outdoor sensor. Number one, the sensor should be positioned at approximately half the height of the living space of the property and a minimum of 2.5 metres above ground level. 2, it should be positioned away from any source of heat or cooling, i.e. a flue terminal. 3, it shouldn't be positioned above doors or windows. And 4, it shouldn't be positioned adjacent to vents or close to eaves. Once you've determined a suitable location, remove the front cover from the sensor, check for level, mark the 2 small fixing holes and the larger hole for the wiring. Drill out all the marked holes and then pull the sensor wire through the larger hole in the wall to outside, ensuring that you leave enough length to allow for connection. It's really important to seal this hole. We recommend the use of 0.5mm 2-core cable as the sensor is low voltage, but please note that the cable is not supplied with the outdoor sensor kit. If it's not possible to pass the cable through the wall directly behind the sensor, you can remove the circular knockout panel in the sensor base to allow wiring from below. Secure the sensor body to the wall using the provided plugs and screws, then connect the 2 wires into the 2-way terminal block before finally replacing the sensor cover. The wiring from the outdoor sensor should be connected to the control box of the heat pump at connection 9, which is labelled outside thermistor.